yeah, this is on the groups. So if you want to go out of the isolation mode, you go to reset temporary height isolation, and you get the section box. If you want to remove the section box, you go here, section box, and you get the 3D view of the whole thing. On the purple lines, so as I can understand, you're asking if we can change the thickness of the lines. Yes, they could be changed. The thing is that this is a standard thickness, and I wouldn't suggest to change it except if there is some reason for it. For example, if it's not readable, and yeah, if you think it's not readable, yes, you can change it. Again, in that specific case, this is a 2D group. You can see here detail groups. Here you can always see the category of the item that you are selecting. So you go to edit group, you select the line, and you can see that this line is ABG approved. This is a standard line, and if it's not needed, we don't change standard lines. They are actually in the first standard sheet here. In your case it's here, so this is the line that we are using. If you are sure that you want it thinner, what you have to do is to, maybe you should check some YouTube videos on how you edit field regions, lines, and absolutely all those tools here. So the type of line could be controlled in line styles. You open this plus and you can find the specific line which is ABG approved. If you want it thinner, you have to edit it from here. From 8 you can edit it to 6 to 7/6 or whatever you want, whatever suits you well. Okay, and you see now that it's thinner. Another thing that maybe it's important, so this is 1 to 100. How you know how it prints? You can go to line weights and you can check 1 to 100. 6 matches with 0.25. So this is a way to understand how it will be printed, and actually you can change those things, but they are by default like that, so I wouldn't suggest to change it. And the last thing is related to the pools. So I actually don't see them now. There were, I think, 2 options for the pool or something like that, but I can see that now we don't have them, so it's cleaned up. So let me know if there is any problem with it, and also if you need help on working with design options in Revit, also let me know. But if we don't need to prepare options for the pool, we are fine. And another thing, this area here, so the first thing I would do is to edit the finish, because we usually don't have a finish where we have a cavity like this, and usually you can also do another thing to make it look better, to join those 2 walls. If you want, you can switch the join, or whatever graphics you want. Same goes for this. And how we fill this, we are filling it with field region, which is cavity type, terrain solid cavity. We trace it like this, and we get it covered with yeah, this should be edited, and this is the way we do that. For example, you can add this field region also here, and wherever you have cavity, including you can add a field region where the lift shaft is. And of course this cannot be here. Actually it should be like this and to be readable, definitely. And I think that covers the questions. Thank you.